Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Measure 1 cup quinoa and spread it on a baking sheet, or use a dry skillet to toast for about 2 minutes until it smells nutty. This deepens flavor. Rinse the toasted quinoa under cold water in a fine mesh sieve to remove saponins and bitterness, then drain well. Combine rinsed quinoa with 2 cups water and 1 tsp salt in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, cover, and cook until water is absorbed and grains are translucent. Bring the quinoa and water to a rolling boil, then lower heat to maintain a gentle simmer and cook covered for about 15 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Remove the pan from heat and keep it covered to steam for an additional 10 minutes. This yields fluffy, separate grains. Fluff with a fork, then stir in 1 tablespoon oil to keep the grains glossy and separate. Add 1 tsp salt and 1 tsp ground cumin, while fluffing to infuse spice. Transfer the fluffed quinoa to a large bowl and let it cool slightly. Add 1 cup chopped tomatoes, 1 cup diced cucumber, 1/2 cup finely chopped red onion if desired, and 1/2 cup chopped cilantro for freshness and texture. Drizzle 2 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Season with 1/2 tsp black pepper and 1/2 tsp chopped masala or roasted cumin powder for an Indian touch. Toss gently to combine, chill for about 20 minutes to meld flavors, then serve chilled or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.